Welcome to Prince Shortened House. Students, this is your legal trial passage, specially dictated for the upcoming courts test. Be ready at the rate 90 words per minute. Your dictation starts within 5 seconds. Start. On 23rd 8, 1998, appellant Surinder was discharged from the hospital and was arrested. Inspector Lakhvinder Singh recorded the disclosure statement of Surinder and attempted to recover the weapon of offence, but the same could not be traced. The co-accused could also not be arrested and were declared proclaimed offenders. Appellant Surinder was charged for the offences punishable under section 302/307/34 IPC, and it was only after the trial of Surinder began and after all 22 prosecution witnesses were examined that appellant Furqan was arrested. He was also charged and all the 22 witnesses examined by prosecution against Surinder were recalled to depose against appellant Furqan. Needless to say, the case of the prosecution hinged upon the eyewitness account of Vinod and Sanjay. Vinod deposed that deceased Bhagwan Devi was his mother. On 21/8/1998, he, along with his mother, was present at Shukar Bazaar at Mahinder Park selling vegetables. His maternal uncles Sanjay resided in a house close to where he sold vegetables. At about 5:30 p.m., appellant Surinder, appellant Furqan and one more boy were riding a two-wheeler scooter when a puppy belonging to his uncle Sanjay came under the wheel of their scooter. When his uncle asked the appellants that did they know how to drive, the appellants started beating his uncle. His mother Bhagwan Devi intervened, but the accused held a finger of Bhagwan Devi. It was on his intervention that his mother was saved and the appellants left the place threatening that they would come back. At about 6 p.m. the appellants returned to them and appellant Surinder inflicted 3 blows on the abdomen of his mother with a sharp object. When his uncle Sanjay and he intervened to save Bhagwan Devi, he also received injuries on his wrist, hand and chest. His uncle Sanjay, however, managed to avoid any injuries on his person. Sanjay deposed that he used to sell vegetables in front of his house. Deceased Bhagwan Devi was his sister and she, along with her son Vinod, also used to sell vegetables near his shop. On the day of the incident, at about 5 or 6 p.m., appellants Surinder and Furqan and one more boy were on their two-wheeler scooter when they ran over his dog. As a result, a quarrel ensued. The appellants entered his house and were using abusive language. His sister Bhagwan Devi objected to the appellants doing so and slapped appellant Surinder twice. Though at that time the appellants went away, they returned after about half an hour with 5 or 6 more associates. Appellant Furqan and the others caught hold of him, and appellant Surinder stabbed his sister Bhagwan Devi. When Vinod attempted to intervene, Surinder stabbed Vinod on his chest and hand. The place being a crowded place, around 100 people gathered and gave beatings to Surinder, while his other associates managed to escape. Wide impugned judgment and order dated 22/7/2002, learned trial judge convicted the appellants Surinder and Furqan for the murder of Shrimati Bhagwan Devi and for an attempt to murder Vinod. At the hearing of the appeals, the counsel for the appellants urged that Vinod and Sanjay were most unreliable witnesses, inasmuch as there are material contradictions in the versions deposed by them. It was highlighted that while Vinod stated that when the appellants ran over the dog of Sanjay, a quarrel ensued between Sanjay and the appellants gave beatings to Sanjay, but Sanjay did not state so. He merely stated that a quarrel ensued and the appellants abused him. Stop.